Hey everybody! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Learning and Understanding. Today, we're going to dive into one of the coolest and most mind-blowing subjects out there, physics. Have you ever wondered why things fall, how the lights in your room work, or even how the universe was created? Well, physics has the answers. In today's episode, we'll explore what physics is and why it's super interesting. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is physics? Physics is the science that helps us understand how the world works. It's all about studying motion, energy, and forces. In other words, physics explains why things move, how they move, and what makes them move. It also looks at how energy flows, like how the sun heats the earth or how electricity powers your TV. Physics can explain big things like how planets orbit the sun, and small things like why an apple falls to the ground when you drop it. Physics is everywhere, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. Physics helps us understand the rules that everything in the universe follows. For example, when you throw a ball, it falls back to the ground because of gravity. When you ride a bike, you're using force to push the pedals and move forward. And when you see a rainbow, it's because light is bending through water droplets. A trick of optics. Physics can also explain things we use every day, like how magnets stick to the fridge or how your computer works using electricity and circuits. So whether it's playing sports, turning on a light switch, or even watching the stars, physics helps us make sense of it all. The purpose of physics is to help us understand the natural laws that control everything, from the smallest particles to the biggest planets. But physics doesn't just explain how things work. It helps us invent new things too. Thanks to physics, we can build bridges that don't fall down, design airplanes that fly, and even launch rockets into space. Physics is behind some of the most amazing inventions in history. Engineers use physics to design cars, phones, and computers. Astronomers use physics to study the stars and planets. And doctors even use physics when they create machines like X-rays and MRIs to help us stay healthy. The goal of physics is to make life easier, better, and more exciting. But did you know you're using physics every day, even if you don't realize it? When you toss a ball, jump on a trampoline, or even use your phone, you're experiencing physics in action. Things like force, gravity, and energy are all part of physics. When you jump, gravity pulls you back to the ground. When you ride a skateboard, the force of your push makes you go faster. Physics is all around us, helping things move and work. So, what did we learn today? Physics is the science that helps us understand how everything works, from why things fall to how rockets fly to how electricity powers your home. It explains the rules of the universe and helps us invent amazing new technology. Remember, physics is all about asking questions and discovering how things move and change. The more you explore physics, the more you'll understand the world around you, and maybe even become a scientist yourself one day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.